I'm sure you don't.
Young Spen. Snitches.
Stop! Leave us alone!
Scumbag.
For the judge.
What judge?
Fuck the judge.
I also temper, cause you at last. Temper went a bit far. Temper, cause you at last. Temper went a bit far.
Alright. Got a bad temper and my gang's with it. If I click it, it's only cause my hand fidgets. I ain't talking popping by with my gang visits. If I catch your pussy face, I'ma Stan Smith it. Niggas walking round a book, trying to bag bitches. Undercovers wanna look, I can't stand snitches. See the boogers on my foot, looking Stan Smithish. And my swagger's looking good, that's why I bang bitches. In a hot spot, where the cops watch. I got straps masked up, like it's not hot. Couple blocks cocked, I will not stop. Fam, I got a lot of arms, call me Doc Ock. If I hop scotch to your pop spot, bust the top lock, fuck a knock knock. Got my strally out quick, move it chop chop. Niggas talking any shit, get your squad dropped.
Temper, cause you at last. Temper went a bit fast. Temper, cause you at last. Temper went a bit fast.
Listen, hear the tires screech first, then the fire heats burst. I got 2 9s, I'ma put in Siamese word. Let it fly in his shirt, let him lie in his dirt. This the jungle, where the fucking lions eat first. If you test me, prick, I'ma let T rip. Till your brains are on some fucking pesky shit. Never lets me slip, an interesting clip. Lethal weapon here, through the fucking Jet Li kick. Never met me, but they wanna get me pitch. Feds arrest me, they don't wanna let me live. My performance didn't wanna let me spit. But when I swallow food, they wanna let me shit. Niggas hyping like they're on some pet scree shit. I got lightning, blow you into next week. Now your blood's floating on some fucking Red Sea shit.
Temper, cause you at last. Your quick temper went a bit fast. Temper, cause you at last.
Done.
Temper went a bit fast.
Real niggas with no patience. Pesky. Snap. Younger even, done no. Let them little pussy on.
This is a place of war. This is a place where all wicked children